2014 Audi, 2014, 2016, 2015, all the same. It's a diesel 1.6, and it's had a breakdown with the alternator light coming on. So we're just going to check what's going on here in this car. Let's have a look. It's going to start, what fault it's going to give us. Okay. DSG model. And let's get started. Get that alternator off. We've already diagnosed it. See, the battery is not charging, so we're going to go ahead and remove the alternator. Take it from there. So we're first going to go ahead and start stripping a little bit, and we're going to start at the top and see. Probably have to work at the bottom, get that alternator off the compressor. Quite a bit of work here. So we've already done a battery voltage test. Seems to be overcharging, but when you crank it, it goes to zero basically. And here's our tools that we'll be using. And then the diagnostic. Just gonna give a progress update. You see we stripped the whole front away. It's only a radiator here. Airbox is out. Intake, cold air intake. Loosen some stuff here. You still need to get down there, so we're only about halfway. Got some parts there we removed. Now we're gonna do this lower stone tray, and then try and get the compressor out, and then so after lots of work, you can see that there's quite a lot of stripping to get that alternator out, and aircon compressors out, all these parts, tensioner, engine cover, air filter, induction, fans, lower cover, and then eventually alternator came out. So we're gonna put it on a bench test and see what we find.